What if I told you that just in 14 days you could start feeling better, moving easier, and waking up with real energy? Not just enough to survive the day, but enough to own it. Hello everyone, welcome to the 14-day mobility challenge. Here's how it works. From day 1 to day 7, you will follow 5 simple full body mobility exercises designed to reduce stiffnesses and wake up your joints. From day 8 to day 14, we will level up with 6 exercises that will help you to move more freely and feel stronger. No matter what is your fitness level, you can do this. And before we jump in, I have one more challenge for you. Start this 40-day mobility challenge before New Year. Don't wait January 1st to start working on yourself. Start doing it right now. And also, comment below the day that you're starting. Let's start this journey together. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Let's get moving. Lay down on your chest, keeping legs together. Put your hands in line with the chest. Then, slide one leg to the side till 90-degree angle in your leg and move your body up to the ceiling, keeping hands in the same place and hips down on the floor. Hold that position for 15 to 20 seconds and then slowly move back down. Repeat this movement 10 times on each side. Sit on the floor and put your feet in line with shoulders. Your hands will be behind you but close to the hips. Keep your posture in neutral position. Then move one leg up, putting ankle of the foot on top of other leg close to the knee. Don't move your hips. Then start twisting your legs on one side and then other, keeping posture still neutral. The goal is to push the knee on the leg up as much as you can down. In that case, you will feel stretch in your hips and adductors. Repeat movement 10 times on each side. Sit on the floor, putting your feet in line with shoulders and your hands behind you, also in line with shoulders and with fingers facing your hips. Then, move one foot half step in front. Start lifting your hips but pushing knee down till you reach the floor or be close to the floor. Depends on your mobility level. Don't lift or move your hands. Then come back and change the side with changing feet position. Repeat these alternate movements 16 times in total. Start in quadruped position on the floor, hands under shoulders, knees under hips, and spine in neutral position. Then make a curl with your body, pushing the back up to the ceiling as much as possible. Feel the stretch. And then move your body down, making the arch with your back. Hold each position around 8 to 10 seconds and repeat movement 10 times on each direction. Start in half kneeling position. Leg in front is touching the wall with 90 degrees angle. Move your arms up, keeping them in front of you and in line with shoulders. Then, start making half circle with arm closer to the wall, moving it as far as possible from you, but keeping shoulders down. Your head all of the time is following your hand. Don't make rotation in your hips. Repeat movement 10 times on each side. Sit on the floor, keeping feet in line with shoulders and putting hands behind you with fingers facing the hips. Move one leg up, putting ankle on top of the knee and opening the leg to the side as much as possible. Then, start pushing your hips up till you reach parallel position from the floor. Be sure that hips all of the time stays in parallel position. The goal is to open leg to the side as much as possible while pushing your hips up. Feel the stretch in your shoulders and hips. Repeat movement 10 times on each side. Sit on the floor in straddle position. Open the legs as much as possible to the side and keep your posture in neutral position. Then, Rotate your body to one leg and start lifting that leg up with toes pointed up. Then bend forward and with your arm walk or slide, making half circle till you reach other leg and then move up. Repeat same movement starting with leg lifting and repeat 16 times in total. Sit on the floor in butterfly position. Feet close to the hips, knees falling to the side as much as possible and spine in neutral position. Then start bending forward, pushing your arms far away from you. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Then come back to the butterfly position, putting hands behind you and lifting your hips up to the ceiling with pushing knees down to the side. Hold position another 10 seconds and then repeat this movement 8 times in total. Start in plank position, hands under shoulders, feet in line with shoulders and body completely parallel from the floor. Then push your hips up to the ceiling with pushing your chest down. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings, calves and shoulders. Then move down, putting leg in deep lunge position, foot close and in line with hand, leg behind completely straight and hips as much as possible close to the floor. Repeat this movement 5 times on each side. Start in Cossack position, putting one leg straight to the side and other bent with knee and foot in diagonal position and foot flat on the floor. Place your hands in front of you. Then start moving arm to the side as much as possible, opening the chest, feel stretch in your thoracic spine. If bended knee during movement falling inside, then make movement easier and just put arm close to the foot with elbow blocking knee from moving inward. Repeat movement 8 times on each side. Start in a deep squat position, feet in line with shoulders or slightly wider, and move down without falling forward. Place your hands under the toes and open your chest. Then push your hips up to the ceiling with extending your legs but keeping your hands still under your toes. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Then come back down to the squat. Hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds. If you cannot make full leg extension, don't worry, just extend as much as you can. But if this is still too challenging, then instead of putting hands under toes, just hold your ankles. Repeat movement 10 times. And that's your 40-day mobility challenge. Every single one of these exercises is designed to help you to feel less stiff, to move more freely and wake up with more energy. And you deserve to feel that way every day. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to show up. Whenever you're starting today or tomorrow, commit to this 15 to 20 minutes for yourself. I promise, your body will thank you. And if you're joining this challenge, don't forget to comment which day you're on. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you tomorrow for day 1. Let's do this!